How to send high quality video in Telegram. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that the video that you are trying to send on Telegram is already high in quality. Once you do that, keep in mind that when using Wi-Fi to send videos on Telegram app will automatically send those videos using the highest quality possible. But that's not the case when using mobile data to send videos, as there is some options and feature that you need to turn off in order to allow Telegram to use the maximum data possible to send those videos in the highest quality possible. So once you are on your phone right here, navigate to your settings and then search for data saver. Then navigate to that feature, and what you need to do right here is essentially turn off this feature, at least when you are trying to send the videos, to allow Telegram to use whatever data needed and as much data it needs to send that video in the highest quality possible. And as I said, you do not have to turn this off all the time, just when you are trying to save the video. So you do not limit the Telegram data usage when sending that video. And that's it. It's pretty easy and simple thing to do. So that was it for this video. That's how you can send videos in Telegram using the highest quality. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.